name's Ryan Payne. I'm a stainless steel fabricator, and I work primarily with stainless steel and aluminum, using both MIG and TIG. We do mild steel here and there. So here I get to work on a lot of different projects. Like this job specifically, we've been building conveyor systems for food processing facilities, and every single one of them is different and it's very involved. There's a lot of different skills you have to be able to put one of these together. So I came here with a few years of experience from another company, and there I did mostly small sheet metal jobs. But when I came here, I started building big tube frames, really stuff that intimidated me a lot. But over time, I've been able to build pretty much anything they throw at me. I feel pretty comfortable building almost anything that they have.